I just turned my site into the multilingual. Let me show you what I mean by that. So you can see this is my site here, and here you can see there's a small thing that is the language. Okay, so simply if I enable or click on this one, you can see I am checking out the multiple languages. So with this I can turn my site content into these languages which I can select from here. Let's make it the German here. So let me select the German language and look at the thing how fast the language is translated on my all site content here. Now let me select the another language. This time let me go with this one, that is the Arabic, and you can see how fast the things just easily converted into the different language that I have selected here. Okay, right now it is loading, that why it is not just translated. You can see now it's translated. For the first time it can take few seconds, but after that it will just go easily within the fast time frame. Let me select the Hindi language, and now you can see the site is converted. So with this, not only that I am just converting my site language with a different translations, but I am also opening the more traffic from the different regions, different local languages for my site. Okay, and you can see for the every language it has the different link available, so that is going to make your site the super localization here, and without breaking the any SEO error or the SEO rule for your site. So let me show you how I have done that using a simple tool, that is the ConveyThis here. And right now this tool is available on the App Sumo, starting from the just $59, and you can see only the one domain, the words limit, the plans. You can basically check out this stuff, and based on your the site's requirement or the how many site the content you have, you can select any of the plan. There's also 60 days money back guarantee. If somehow you are not happy, just return it. And it has more than 120 plus languages available that you can select from, and your website like this here. Let me select the basic default language, that is the English, and easily it is translated. There's the another example you can see out. This is the website, and here's the German and the English. So I will select the English, and the language will be translated. Okay, then this is the another website here. If I select from the English to the Portuguese, it will be just translated. So now once you got its lifetime deal, you have to just log in on your dashboard, and this is the page you are going to see. First it is going to ask you select your website technology. If it is built on the WordPress, Wix, Weebly or Webflow, you can select. If any other technology or the language you have selected to build your website, or it is made on the custom, then you can just select the JavaScript. Okay, you can also select for any kind of the website basically. Now let me click on the next. Here you have to add your domain name, the original language. So my original language is the English, and after that you can see the translated language you have to select here. So you can select the different translated languages up to the 5 language limit here. You can see I am just adding the randomly, and up to the 5 languages I can add. Now simply click here on the next. Okay, it is asking me the my website name. So for demo I am adding just this website URL. Click here on the next. Okay, I cannot add this one. Simply let me add the any other. Let me click here on the next. Please enter the okay, let me see what's the mistake. Let me add my own domain name here. Click here on the next, and now you will get the code here. Simply copy this code, go to your website header part, and you have to paste this code on the header part here. Okay, and click on the save changes, and that's all. Your site is connected. Okay, so that is the easiest way you can set up. And once you have done that, it will take the few seconds to analyze your website content, and after that refresh the page of your website. Any page you can refresh, and there will be this language pop up or the language bar start popping out. You can click here, select the any language you want to change the content for your website or the translated, and that will be done within just few seconds here. Let me select this one, that is the this one language, and now it will change. Okay, so like I said, for the first time when you select the language, it will take few seconds to just translate the content, but once it is done, it will be super fast. Only for the first time it is going to take few minutes. Okay, few seconds, sorry. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you are also looking this kind of the solution to translate your website into the multiple local languages or regional languages, I think this platform looks fabulous Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe this channel to stay updated.